particularly sunny. I was around there, and you can see from the afternoon they were in much the same place in the last 18 hours probably. This rash across the northeast of Scotland and Shetland were either of snow or of hail. One or two of the same in Northern Ireland, but they're turning more to rain now. The same is true mostly down through Wales. Occasional one even got to Bristol. We saw snow briefly in Humberside and also in Norfolk. There's not much cloud elsewhere though, as you can see, which of course means a fairly cold night. Now the winds are still northerly, they will be overnight, but only fairly stiff, again across the northeast of Scotland and just down the North Sea coast. That might avoid a frost, there's hovering in that part of the world, but elsewhere with light winds, it's going to get pretty cold. It'll be a dry frost though, one of those plant-damaging frosts, but not the first of the year. Typical temperatures down to -3 to -5 almost everywhere inland, and even down in the Channel Isles where temperature in the air will be 4, it's likely to be a ground frost. Now on Thursday, we've got a ridge of high pressure that usually gets rid of the strong winds, that'll be the case, and this warm front is waiting to come in to change things for us all. But Thursday will start off cold, but once again brilliantly sunny, although I think late in the morning it'll be clouding up in Northern Ireland and Scotland, and we'll find rain by the afternoon, preceded probably by a bit of sleet or snow, but with temperatures by dusk of around about 9, I don't think that's going to last very long. It's true also in Scotland. We'll see a brief spell of snow, it'll turn to rain, temperatures will start to rise, but a cold day further south and further east. Now we're going to cut off that supply of cold winds tomorrow, and I think overnight, certainly into the evening overnight, you'll get a westerly back again. We'll all get this westerly, so it'll turn mild for the next couple of days. Late in the day then, this is tomorrow, Thursday afternoon, that brief spell of snow, certainly on the eastern side of Scotland, will turn almost all to rain, but never reach the southeast of England. So although temperatures overnight will be 10s and 11s on Thursday evening, there will still be a frost in the southeast of England. This time, probably one you can see, a bit of a hoarfrost, white on the grass. On Friday, we've taken the warm front through. We've now got a flow of wind all the way down or up from the Azores, which of course is particularly warm, in complete contrast to the poles. So it'll be a rather mild day with temperatures approaching double figures everywhere, and probably fairly bright, with some cloud particularly in the west, and there'll be hill fog, say for Northern Ireland and western Scotland. Into the weekend we keep this rather mobile flow, which we're more used to. Strong wind, one front following through after another, so a mild but cloudy.